Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever wanted to create your own website, but felt intimidated by coding, or just didn't know where to start? Well, you're in luck, because today we're diving into the exciting world of web development for beginners. And guess what? We're going to do it all without writing a single line of code. That's right, no-code web development is a game changer, opening up incredible possibilities for anyone to bring their online visions to life. So stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how you can start building beautiful and functional websites without any prior coding experience. First things first, let's talk about what no-code actually means in the context of web development. Traditionally, creating a website involved learning programming languages like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. While those are powerful tools, they have a steep learning curve. No-code platforms simplify this process dramatically by providing visual, drag-and-drop interfaces. Think of it like building with digital LEGOs. You're assembling pre-built components and customizing them to fit your needs, rather than crafting each piece from scratch. This approach empowers designers, entrepreneurs, small business owners, and anyone with an idea to create professional-looking websites quickly and efficiently. So, what kind of websites can you build with no-code tools? The possibilities are surprisingly vast. You can create stunning portfolios to showcase your work, launch engaging e-commerce stores to sell products, build professional business websites to establish an online presence, or even craft landing pages for marketing campaigns. Many popular no-code platforms also offer templates tailored to specific industries, making it even easier to get started. Whether you're looking for a simple one-page site or a more complex multi-page structure, no-code solutions often have the flexibility to accommodate your needs. Now, let's talk about some of the popular no-code platforms available today. Well, there are many options. Some of the widely recognized ones include Wix, Squarespace, and Webflow. Wix and Squarespace are fantastic for beginners, offering intuitive drag-and-drop editors and a wide array of templates, perfect for small businesses, portfolios, and blogs. Webflow, while still no-code, offers a bit more design flexibility and control, making it a favorite among professional designers who want to build custom, responsive websites without diving into complex code. Each platform has its strengths, so it's worth exploring a few to see which one best aligns with your project and comfort. Getting started with no-code web development is incredibly straightforward. Most platforms offer free trials or freemium models, allowing you to experiment and build your site before committing financially. You'll typically begin by choosing a template or starting from a blank canvas. Then, it's all about dragging and dropping elements like text boxes, images, videos, and buttons onto your page. You can customize colors, fonts, layouts, and add interactive features like contact forms or image galleries. The beauty of no-code is that you get instant visual feedback, so you can see your changes in real time. It's an iterative process, allowing you to refine your design until it's perfect, and there you have it. A quick introduction to the exciting world of no-code web development for beginners. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur, a creative professional, or just someone with a great idea, no-code tools provide an accessible and powerful way to bring your vision to life online. So, don't wait any longer. Explore some of these platforms. Start experimenting, and you might be surprised at how quickly you can create a professional and beautiful website. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and let us know in the comments what kind of website you're excited to build.